Greetings friends and subscribers, and welcome back to a new episode of Sephiroth and Cypher's channel. Today we have the BAJADASAURus, but we will compare to a Amargasaurus from Dino Rivals, the classic one, original, has no variants yet. And this one right here from, I bought it at eBay, I think it's from Tomy, Takara, something like that. So here's our small Amargasaurus, a little one, a young one. It is like pretty much a ripoff from Mattel's Amargasaurus. So this Amargasaurus, push this button right here, it goes down. That's pretty much it. The tail doesn't move. Oh yeah, it does. Well, I didn't know that. It doesn't really move. It's kind of. I bought it used, so I guess it's broken. This from a long time ago. I think I bought this 2 years ago. It was used. So there's the DNA scan. Go ahead and scan that. Nice. So it says it is from, let's look for it. Yep, 2018. It says right there. 2018, guys. So anyways, yep, this is a Dino Rivals, and here's the young one. And today we're gonna unbox the new Chaos Fury BAJADASAURus. Yep, it's still sealed, guys. So Amazon has this, in case you're wondering. It's like $24.99. That's 25 bucks. But for some reason they raised the price up. They made it like $44.99 now. It's 45 bucks for one now. It's crazy. All right, let's check it out. Let's unbox it. It's really nice. All right. So it has the grasslands symbol, or I don't know, the woods. Okay. There you go. Let's check the box. Whoops. We don't have the Apatosaurus yet. Still on its way. Alright, evolve for battle. Okay, it has a tail action too. There you go. However, every time it's a gigantic trackers, it has no sound. It never comes to sound. Remember the Stegosaurus? Every Stegosaurus doesn't have a sound. What else? The gigantic tracker from Epic Evolution, Triceratops and Neovenator doesn't have a sound. What else? The Dino trackers, Sinotyrannus doesn't have a sound either. No sound. But anyways, here's the DNA scan for the BAJADASAURus. There you go. So let's open them up. Alright guys, so while I'm opening this up, I was supposed to upload this yesterday, or made one, but I didn't have time. I got busy. Alright, there you go. So this BAJADASAURus, look how cool this is. So let's go on the back first. There's a button here, a tail strike, that's for the tail. Then the wheel here is for, yeah, see that? It goes back. If you push it forward, spikes protrude, they come out. It's like for self-defense. See how cool that is, huh? It goes back again, see? Look at that. See that? That's so cool, huh? Crazy. It's like the coolest sauropod ever. I wish it was a little bigger though. It's a gigantic trackers, but yeah. It's like Wolverine's claws extract. Like, it's retracting, see? It retracts. Shing! It's sick. I love it. This is my favorite sauropod now. There you go, has a green eye. Go. Yeah. Nice color. They didn't color the extra spikes on the back, just on the neck. But maybe in my next I'm sorry. BAJADASAURus, I'm gonna repaint it. So yeah. So there you have it for today, guys. Our BAJADASAURus. Let's compare to the Amargasaurus. They have different body type. So the Amargasaurus is chunkier. That's the brown one. Who has longer, almost the same. It has like spines of extra spines there, like sail. Like a warbet from Godzilla vs. Kong. I don't know if you guys remember that monster, that giant flying snake. He was also in that movie Godzilla X Kong. That's pretty sick, huh? Look at that. But meanwhile, the BAJADASAURus has spikes that comes out. See? Look at that. it's gonna like gore its predator there. Any predator trying to attack it. So yeah. But anyways, we have another surprise here. We're gonna check it out from Target. There you go. We're gonna unbox it, guys. All right. Oh, how do you open this? There we go. Okay, let's unbox it. Let's check it out. Right. What do we have here? Oh my gosh, we have another Giganotosaurus. That's insane. Another Giganotosaurus. That's right, guys. Another Giga. For some reason, we have another Giganotosaurus. You know what my plan here? I'm gonna make it a hybrid. It's gonna be awesome, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna make this a hybrid. So that's it for today, guys. Our BAJADASAURUS. And the next video is up to you guys again. Just vote and choose the number. And you guys have a great day. Thank you. And don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Don't forget to like this video, okay? Alright, guys. You guys have a great one. Bye now. Fare thee well.